guys, welcome back to the Curl Factory. It's Raquel. Today I'm going to be doing a tutorial using the Mielle Organics line. This is the green one and it's the Rosemary and Mint line. But before we get into that, I can tell you that these are my results. This is day 2 hair, but you're going to see me apply the style as well as the deep conditioner. But before I start all of that good stuff, please subscribe to my channel and follow me on social media. I bought these two a few weeks ago, and these were the only rosemary and mint products from this line that I could find in South Africa. I'm not sure if click stores close to you do have, the shampoo or leave-in conditioner. So today you're just going to see me use their deep conditioner as well as their cream styler. So I started my wash day off with co-washing my hair, and I did that off camera, and then I went in with the mask. And I kept saying deep conditioner earlier, but this is actually their hair mask, and this is the Mielle Rosemary Mint Strengthening Hair Mask, and it's infused with biotin and it encourages hair growth. And this is 12 fluid ounces or 340 grams. In the description I am going to put the price of both the products that you see me use today. So I applied this mask in sections. It went on really nicely. Something that was interesting was when I did start applying it, this had a very gummy feeling. Like as I put my hands in, it was very gummy. I mean, it wasn't that bad, but it applied nicely. You can start detangling while you're doing this process as well. It went on nicely. I applied it in large sections and I kept it on for 30 minutes. On the packaging it says you can leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes, and something that's nice about this product on the packaging, it tells us there's no parabens, there's no sulfates, there's no paraffins, no mineral oil, no DEA, and no animal testing. Something else about this product is it is a restorative, deep moisturizing, penetrative mask for dry, thirsty tresses. And it also says the Rosemary and Mint Strengthening Hair Mask is developed with your hair's greatest needs in mind to nourish, hydrate, and strengthen all at once with this nutrient-rich formula. This is different to the Babaso and Mint mask. You do feel the tingling, but it's not as strong or as intense as the Babaso mask from the Mielle Organics. You do feel the tingling. The rosemary smell isn't bad at all, but it's a light tingle. The results of this mask were fine. I mean, my hair did come out very hydrated. I didn't have high expectations of it. It's not the worst mask, and it might be just a little bit above average, but it was okay. For the price points, I don't know if it's really worth it, but I mean, it just was above average. Now let's talk about styling, something that you guys are really interested in. And as I said earlier, these are the results from the cream, and it comes in this bottle here. And I didn't have to refresh my hair that much in the morning, just in the front and a little bit on my ends. I did get a lot of shrinkage, especially at the back. My back hair really did kind of scrunch up a lot using this gel styler. So the front part of my hair is a lot longer than the back part. For me, that doesn't really bother me, but for people who are really worried about how does my hair look, it might be a little bit of a problem. But then again, these are my personal results. You might not get the amount of shrinkage, or the front part of your hair where my looser curls are a little bit longer than my tighter curls at the back. Something that I found very interesting, which made sense with me having to refresh the front part of my hair, is while my hair was air drying, something that I do 99% of the time, I could see the frizz as my hair was drying here, just in the front part of my hair. And when I woke up this morning, that frizz was still there, but that's okay for me. It's not a biggie. This is the Mielle Rosemary Mint Multivitamin Daily Styling Cream, and it's also infused with biotin and it encourages growth. And it also says here on the side that it's a multivitamin daily styling cream, so you can use this on dry as well as wet hair. When it comes to the ingredients, it also says that this is paraben free, sulfate free, paraffin free, mineral oil free, there's no DEA, and there's also no animal testing. Something I didn't like about this product is the pump. While you're seeing me apply this in smaller sections, I couldn't pump it like this. I had to put it on and like press down and pump it this way. The cream came out very little, very slowly, very frustrating. It has the mint and the rosemary smell as well, which is fine. I applied it in sections. It wasn't very thick and creamy. I could tell it's going to give me a light hold, and it gave me a lot more volume than a lot of products do. So if you're somebody who likes the volume, I think you might like this. Application, didn't enjoy it at all. Results, my hair does have a bit of a shine. It does have a bit of a light hold and a light crunch, but nothing major for me as well. You can use this for braid outs, twist outs, band to knots, wash and goes, and I just use mine for wash and go. You can see the results. Again, the price is also in the description box. I do think it's a bit expensive for the amount of product in here and the amount of product that I have to use on my hair. Overall, it's an okay wash and go, something that I think I would use more to refresh my hair in the morning to cover up flyaways and stuff, but you know, for me it's just okay. My looser curl patterns did fine. The tighter ones, there's a lot of shrinkage. That's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed my thoughts and also watching me apply the two products that I have found from Mielle Organics in South Africa, and also the South African perspective to actually see a South African using these international brands. Drop your comments down below. I do have videos using the Mielle Organics pomegranate and honey line. Those are the two available in South Africa, so if you're interested in the pink packaging as well, I do have videos using both the styling products as well as the mint and babasu line. I really do like the deep conditioner from these, so you can check that out as well. Thanks again, and I'll see you again. Take care.